Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where real Craigslist listings turn into classic motorcycle opportunities you can still buy today. Let's check it out. Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead, $6,490, San Pedro, California. This 1980 Harley-Davidson FXE Shovelhead represents the final years of the iconic Shovelhead engine, powered by a 1340cc air-cooled V-twin paired with a 4-speed transmission. Showing 51,450 miles, the bike carries a clean title and is described as mechanically functional, making it suitable for riding rather than static display. A non-original wide glide front end has been installed, giving the motorcycle a more aggressive stance while still retaining its classic Harley-Davidson silhouette. Included with the sale are both an oversized aftermarket fuel tank and the original factory tank, allowing the next owner to choose between customization or originality. While some cosmetic details remain unfinished, this FXE offers strong value as an entry point into AMF-era Harley ownership, a segment that continues to gain attention among collectors and riders alike. Number 2. 1983 Honda Goldwing GL1100 Cafe, $5,250, San Jose, California. This 1983 Honda Goldwing GL1100 has been tastefully converted into a cafe racer while preserving the legendary reliability that made early Goldwings famous. With just 8,611 miles indicated, the motorcycle has undergone extensive mechanical servicing, including rebuilt carburetors, rebuilt brake calipers, fresh fluids throughout, valve adjustments, and a new battery. The Cafe conversion features custom handlebars, a reshaped seat, LED lighting, a modified exhaust system, and a distinctive front headlight fairing. The engine starts easily, runs smoothly, and pulls strongly, making it a usable and dependable classic. As early Goldwings continue to rise in interest, well-executed cafe builds like this are becoming increasingly desirable for riders who want vintage style with modern reliability. Number 3. 1966 BMW R69S, $10,000, Livermore, California. This 1966 BMW R69S is a highly collectible, triple matching example offered with approximately 57,000 miles and a clean title on non-operational status. Purchased from its second owner, the motorcycle spent decades stored indoors and displayed rather than actively ridden. Mechanical refurbishment was later performed by a BMW specialist, focusing on making the bike operational while preserving originality rather than fully restoring it. Select components were replaced only where necessary, allowing the machine to retain its authentic patina and factory character. The engine runs and exhibits light smoke consistent with its age, making it better suited for collectors than daily riders. As one of BMW's most respected pre-1970 models, the R69S remains a cornerstone of classic European motorcycle collections. Number 4. 1976 Kawasaki KZ400 Cafe, $1,900, San Francisco, California. This 1976 Kawasaki KZ400 is a lightly customized cafe-style motorcycle that remains street legal and comes with a clean title. Showing approximately 4,100 miles on the gauges, exact mileage is unverified, but the bike starts easily and runs reliably. Powered by a simple and durable parallel twin engine, the KZ400 is known for ease of maintenance and smooth power delivery. Custom gauges, minimalist lighting, and stripped-down styling give it a clean cafe look without extensive modification. Sold as is for cash, this motorcycle represents an affordable entry into vintage ownership, particularly appealing to riders seeking a classic city-friendly machine with vintage charm and manageable power. Number 5. 1970 Norton Commando Roadster 750. $7,500, Vallejo, California. This 1970 Norton Commando Roadster 750 shows 24,355 miles and is offered with a clean current registration. The bike starts easily and has been ridden regularly, indicating it remains mechanically active rather than dormant. Recent oil smoke from the right exhaust suggests a possible valve guide or breather issue, a known service consideration for Commandos of this era. Included in the sale are numerous spare parts, such as an additional fuel tank, original exhaust components, side covers, carburetors, and a spare seat. Cosmetic wear is present throughout, including bubbling paint on the fuel tank, reflecting honest use rather than restoration. For mechanically inclined buyers, this Commando offers strong value and classic British performance character. Number 6. 1978 Yamaha RD400, $3,000, Boulder Creek, California. This 1978 Yamaha RD400 is a largely original two-stroke classic showing 22,888 miles and offered with a clean South Carolina title. Aside from non-original handlebars, which are included with the sale, the bike retains its factory configuration. The motorcycle is currently not running due to a loss of spark after extended storage, though compression is reported to be strong. Known for its lightweight chassis and lively power delivery, the RD400 is one of the most respected street-going two-strokes of its era. As emissions regulations ended the two-stroke street era, surviving examples like this continue to rise in collector interest. This bike presents an excellent opportunity for recommissioning or restoration. Number 7. 1980 Suzuki GS450S, $4,250, Oxnard, California. This 1980 Suzuki GS450S is presented as a highly original, collector-quality motorcycle showing approximately 9,000 miles. It remains fully stock with factory components intact and is reported to run and ride properly. The motorcycle carries a clean California title and is registered as non-operational, with no back fees and its original blue California license plate. The GS450S is known for its balanced handling, smooth engine characteristics, and dependable engineering. Clean, unmodified examples have become increasingly scarce, as many were customized or neglected over time. This example stands out as a well-preserved survivor from the early Japanese sport motorcycle era. Number 8. 1945 BSA WM20 British Army, $7,500, San Luis Obispo, California. This 1945 BSA WM20 is an authentic World War II British Army motorcycle retaining original paint, military markings, and period-correct patina. The bike reportedly starts and runs, though it has been stored for over a decade and would require inspection before regular riding. Included with the sale are rare original accessories such as canvas saddlebags, a military canteen, spare components, and an extremely rare sprung rear seat. The WM-20 played a significant role in wartime logistics and military transport, making it historically important beyond its mechanical design. With genuine military heritage, this motorcycle is best suited for collectors, museums, or historically focused enthusiasts. Number 9. 1974 Moto Guzzi 850, $5,000, Chilliwack, British Columbia. This 1974 Moto Guzzi 850 features a recently rebuilt engine and fresh paint, showing approximately 10 miles since completion. The motorcycle runs well and requires only minor finishing work to be fully road-ready. Known for its transverse V-twin engine and shaft drive, the Moto Guzzi 850 delivers strong low-end torque and a distinctive riding feel. The bike carries a clean title and represents a mechanically refreshed European classic at a competitive price point. Moto Guzzi models from this era are increasingly appreciated for their durability and engineering uniqueness. This example offers a blend of fresh mechanicals and classic Italian character. Number 10. 1974 Triumph Trident T150V, $9,300, Cloverdale, California. This 1974 Triumph Trident T150V is a numbers-matching survivor that has been owned by the seller for over 13 years. The engine was professionally rebuilt with upgraded internal components, modern ignition, and refreshed drivetrain parts. Original paint with hand-painted pinstriping remains intact and presents very well for its age. Additional updates include new rear shocks and modern tires, improving ride quality without sacrificing originality. With fewer than 5,000 miles on the rebuilt engine, the bike is suitable for regular use or display. The Trident remains one of Triumph's most significant triple-cylinder motorcycles. Number 11. 1970 Vespa Sprint VLB, $18,000, Henderson, Nevada. This 1970 Vespa Sprint VLB is a genuine Italian import powered by a 150cc engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Showing 7,400 miles, the scooter runs and drives well and includes import paperwork along with a clean Montana title. A matching sidecar with leather cover is included, significantly increasing its rarity and collector appeal. The Sprint model is known for its durability, simplicity, and timeless Italian design. With the sidecar installed, this Vespa becomes both a functional vehicle and a striking display piece. It represents a unique opportunity for collectors seeking something beyond traditional motorcycles. Number 12. 1971 Maico 250 MC, $8,000, Mukilteo, Washington. This 1971 Maico 250 MC has been fully restored to a high standard with professional workmanship and documented services. The engine was rebuilt by a Maico specialist, and both original fuel tanks were refinished and sealed to handle modern fuels. The frame, suspension, wheels, and hubs were restored with new bearings, spokes, and hardware. An electronic ignition was installed to improve reliability while retaining period-correct appearance. Receipts and documentation accompany the motorcycle, adding to its credibility. This example is ideal for serious collectors or vintage motocross enthusiasts seeking a top-tier machine. Number 13. 1970 Kawasaki Avenger 350, $5,995, Longmont, Colorado. This 1970 Kawasaki Avenger 350 is a fully original two-stroke performance motorcycle that spent many years in heated storage. Recent recommissioning included carburetor service, fuel system cleaning, and lubrication updates. Everything is reported to function properly, and the bike starts and runs strong. The Avenger was known for its aggressive acceleration and high-performance reputation during the early 1970s. Surviving original examples are increasingly rare due to hard riding and racing use. This motorcycle offers a rare opportunity to own a true two-stroke street legend with both collector value and rideability. Number 14. 1980 Harley-Davidson AMF 1000 Sportster, $2,900, Windsor, California. This 1980 Harley-Davidson AMF-era Sportster is powered by the iconic Ironhead 1000cc engine and offered with a clean title. The bike is described as a solid runner that starts easily and performs as expected. It includes both a solo seat and a full-length seat, offering flexibility for riding preferences. Cosmetic condition reflects honest use, making it suitable for riding rather than display. Ironhead Sportsters are appreciated for their raw mechanical feel and simplicity. This example represents an affordable entry into classic Harley ownership with strong long-term enthusiast appeal. Number 15. 1975 Yamaha TX500, $1,200, Tacoma, Washington. This 1975 Yamaha TX500 twin is currently styled as a Cathay racer, but includes original parts to return it to stock configuration if desired. Showing 18,190 miles, the motorcycle runs well and has received extensive recent maintenance, including new carburetors, tires, chain, rebuilt suspension components, and fresh fluids. The TX500 is known for its unique engineering and distinctive exhaust note. The seller built the bike for nostalgic reasons and is selling due to relocation. Affordable and visually striking, this TX500 offers excellent value for riders seeking a usable and unconventional classic. Those are today's Moto Market Explorer finds. Real classic motorcycles, real Craigslist deals. Subscribe for more vintage machines you can still buy.